Okay, what I most appreciate about my wife is that she puts me first above all else, and after God, I know I'm the center of her world.
What I appreciate the most about my husband is the little things that he does, even though he doesn't like to do them. He'll do them just to make me smile, just to make me happy. He'll go out of his way to do little things like rubbing my feet or doing my hair, shampooing my hair, blow drying, or just hugging me because he knows I love hugs. Yeah, that's it.
What I appreciate most about my husband is his ability to forgive and leave the past in the past. And another thing that I love about him is he doesn't stifle me. He lets me be who I am. He loves me the way I am. He doesn't put rules and regulations about how I live my life. Yeah, I think that's all.
What I appreciate most about my husband, Michael, is that he's selfless. He always puts people before himself, and his number one priority is making me and our family happy and providing for us, which kind of makes me selfish, but his selflessness makes up for my selfishness. You see, God was wise. He put the two of us together and it made a perfect union.
There are many things that I appreciate about my husband, but one stands out. That is my love language. He not only knows it, but he puts it into practice. That is quality time for me.
What I appreciate most about my wife is her unconditional love for me. Her devotion is just amazing, and I just know that when she loves me, she's just imitating Christ in all that she does. She's a strong woman, she's a bold woman, but when it comes to me, she just defends me like a lioness and is always praising me and always encouraging me. One thing I forgot to say is, of course, my wife is the person taking this video, so when she clicks the button and finally cuts me off, being a woman, I'll have to just explain every other reason why she's so wonderful to me. So wish me luck.